Let's take a look at a vocab word. Our word is vodcast. Vodcast has two syllables, vodcast. The word vodcast is derived from the word podcast, which is a digital audio or video file. Often, they are produced as a serial product. A vodcast is a podcast with images. This means they are multimedia products. Multimedia means using more than one form of communication or expression. In this case, images and text or text with narration. For this construction video, we use the term vodcast to mean a video file with narration and images for the purpose of vocabulary development. Here is an image of a vodcast. It's also known as a CAP, or Content Acquisition Podcast. There are several examples of vodcasts available online. Some are intended for higher education, some for secondary education, and others are focused on professional development. Here we have an image of a vodcast. This vodcast is for a gaming site. They're called Bacon Donut. Here we have an image for Khan Academy. Khan Academy does make instructional videos, but they do not typically follow the 12 principles of cognitive theory and multimedia. A synonym for vodcast would be cap. In here, I would insert pictures of caps if I could find them. An antonym might be Google. While Google is useful for finding materials online, even instructional videos, they themselves are not a vodcast. Vodcast.